Stay healthy. And for today's video, we'll be doing leg exercises. Thank you for watching Ed's Dance and Food. And if you like this video and you like more of exercises, then you are free to subscribe. No fee, just press the red button. God bless.
Up next, Snow Angel. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Slow angel. Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You have successfully completed the workout. Good job.
Yeah. Successful. Successful. Okay. Crunch and crunch. Okay, side view so you can see my back. And you can see my back. And crunch. 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 Okay. Whew. Okay, wipe your sweat. Wipe your sweat before we go to the next. It's gonna be a little bit longer because we are still exercising, learning the different even calisthenics at home or calisthenics challenge. Okay, this one. Your waist will become trimmer. Belly will be removed. Yeah. Calisthenics work plan. Okay. Ano meron? I thought we will have a zero fitness. Build muscle strength. What do we like? Yes, we like to develop flexibility. We like to develop our flexibility. We like to develop our flexibility. We like to build muscle strength. We like to build, improve posture. Yes, of course. We like to improve also our posture. So next step. Ang tagal naman nito. Belly. Oh, we need to do this one. Hindi na siya naiyan. yung exercise ko. We're looking at exercise. Okay, so na. Ay, nako, walang exercise. Wala ko naman na exercise yan.
I love styling my hair. Nothing does. Hair fall. Pantene. Enriched with probiotics. Make hair strong.
Workout for me.
Yes. 10-minute style. One, two, three, four, five. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to join us. 9, 10, 11, 12,
Dapat maliit lang na pillow.
22, 23,
Dapat maliit lang na pillow.
25,
Pero maliit lang na pillow.
27, 28, 29, 30. Rest time. Next exercise is V-size extension. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Okay,
16.
that's it.
Rest time.
Last time.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Okay.
13, 14,
12 lang ako.
15.
12 only for me.
Rest time.
Easier. Rest, rest, rest.
Next exercise is butterfly leg raise. In 3,
Butterfly?
1, go. 1,
Ah, butterfly.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Rest time.
Okay, rest time. Rest time. Rest time.
Next exercise is leg extension. In
Extension.
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Rest time.
Rest time. Rest, 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 rest.
Next exercise is reverse crunch. In 3, 2, 1,
Reverse.
go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Rest. Rest time. Okay. You may also take a break. Drink a little bit of water so that you can have your break. All right. Let's see.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Okay. Rest. 15 only. 15 only.
18,
I can only do 15.
19, 20. Last time. Next exercise is side leg lift.
Side leg lift.